What's going on, eaters and feeders? My name is Casey, and on my channel, I discuss business tips and tricks, startup hacks, entrepreneur mindset, and so much more based on my experience starting and growing Florida's highest rated meal prep company from nothing. So if you want to learn more about marketing, production, purchasing, sales, software, leadership, mindset, meditation, and everything in between, I invite you to subscribe and turn on those alert notifications so you don't miss out on any of my content. I produce videos weekly, I go live sporadically, and I don't want you missing out on any of it. If you've got an idea for an episode, let me know in the comments below. While you're down there, you're also going to want to make sure you check out the links in the show notes. Those links will give you access to so many more resources than I can fit into a YouTube video. I've got free calculators that teach you how to find all sorts of stuff that you can't see in your business. I've got free software that will completely run your business. I've got free ebooks. I've got free boot camps. I've got one-on-one consulting. I've got private groups. I've got so much stuff, and you will only find it if you check out those links in the show notes and if you venture on over to mealprepbiz101.com. That's my site where I host so many more tips, tools, resources, and great stuff that will make your life easier and make your business more successful. So check out those links and check out mealprepbiz101.com. Now let's check out today's episode.
Welcome to our channel where we go behind the scenes for meal plan company Fit Food Fresh and other local businesses across South Florida. Make sure you hit the subscribe and alerts so you never miss a video, and hit us with any questions or suggestions.
This is a special type of episode. They're essentially short little clips from longer episodes, interviews, or consultations that focus on a specific term, topic, or concept, densely packed with value and information that you can immediately learn from and implement in your business's operations. If it's a clip from a longer episode that you'd like to see in its entirety, I invite you to head on over to my YouTube channel where you can see the full-length episode and the context in which this topic was discussed. And if you'd like to book a one-on-one consultation with yours truly, I invite you to head on over to mealprepbiz101.com. Find my store. You'll be able to purchase and book a one-on-one consultation so that you and I can dive into your specific issues, ideas, and problems and see what we can come up with as far as solutions, information, and better arming you to move forward with your business operations. Yeah, and we've also done stuff for just to give you more ideas in case you when you come across these opportunities. I'm sure you will. If you get in with a company and you have a delivery fee and then you're able to waive it for the company and they get that special perk, well, it makes sense because now I'm making a drive and dropping off 5 clients or 10 clients or 15 clients worth of food at one place, and I can waive the delivery fee. And it also gives them this, oh, well, I'm getting something special. As a employee of this company, you'll be able to get the delivery for free as long as you get it here. For some reason, companies like having the food delivered there. They think it's more convenient. From my experience, what I always try to do is we'll offer that. I actually got away from offering that. We used to offer that, but I got away from it because, and this will actually play into the double-edged sword thing I referenced with gyms and drop-off locations. Refrigeration has to be adequate. And if you're putting, like with you, if the average person's getting 10 meals a week.
Yeah, and trust me, I'm finding trouble to put it in my own fridge. My God.
So you imagine being in an office, you're very unpopular on Monday when you're getting 10 meals delivered and nobody can fit their tuna salad in there. So that's one thing I always tell them to think about. And, the food's not going to be safe left out. So if it's a gym and the gym has, some trainer open up and he sees the meals there in the morning and just puts them in the hallway and they're not in refrigeration, and Dave doesn't pick up his meals until his 2:30 class, it's not going to be good. Yeah. So those are some things where I would shy away from or try to get companies to shy away from that. And I tell the companies, even with what I said about the delivery discount, I always try to get them to do home deliveries for the employees. Also, if the employee happens to leave the company, it's easier for them to maintain the service when they feel like it's more their service and less like attached to the company and like being delivered there. And it's like, well, I wasn't paying for delivery before, and now that it's coming to my house, I got to pay for delivery. That's not fair. I'm just going to go. I'll go to another company that's going to charge them delivery. It's just something about, if I was getting it free from you, I'm not going to ever pay for it, but I'll go across the street and pay for it. That's how humans are. But and then the other thing that we were doing with gyms, just going to spit out a bunch of ideas. We would get used refrigerators and we wrap them. The gyms, obviously, we're not really pursuing them too much. I'm probably going to do a series of videos for teaching meal prep companies how to do events, how to approach the gyms and stuff like that, because I think now the gyms are ramping back up. But I was getting away from it because they're dying down. But wrap a refrigerator, put it there, and bribe the trainer with free meal credits when they give you a referral or something like that. And it's a good way to get a relationship in. And the gyms like it because even if someone lives down the street and they're not a member at that gym, if they're coming in to pick up their food, now it's foot traffic. Oh, you're on a meal prep. You obviously care about your fitness. Hey, did you know that anybody who's with Roots Hot House gets a special discount on our membership? They get that free foot traffic and they love it. Well, that's going to wrap it up for this episode. Again, I want to stress that you need to be subscribed to both the YouTube and the podcast. So make sure you're doing that so you get the most out of the content that I'm producing. You're also going to want to make sure that you're checking out those show notes. They're going to have links to more resources, freebies, goodies, all sorts of fun stuff like that. And of course, mealprepbiz101.com. Until my next episode, I look forward to helping you grow as a business, as an entrepreneur, and as an individual.